We'll guide you through how to make an image the full page in Google Docs. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Google Docs, and for whatever reason you want to add in a full page image. Let's get started. First of all, we need to go to the top, click Insert, hover over Image, and you can choose how you want to add it or upload it from my computer. Select the image you want to do this with and press Open, and here it is. You want to go and click on it and go to the top and click Image Options. First of all, come to the right and select Text Wrapping and select Wrap Text. Scroll down and in Margins from Text, set these all to 0 by using the arrows. Come down again and select Position, and you can select Fixed Position on Page. Now what we want to do is go and resize it. So you can go and use these corner points and click, hold and drag like so, and go and fill it to the page. You can also use the side points as well. So that's it. When you're happy with it, we can close image options, and that's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.